Thanks for coming to CoinGraph Market. Here is where we change your crypto journey. Are you sick of keeping an eye on the market all the time? With our $1,000 to $100,000 trading challenge, you can trade like a pro without having to sit at your computer all day. It only costs $79 a month. If you subscribe today, Satoshi Swiss will instantly copy my trades and help you get better at crypto. Let's take over the world of crypto together. To join, click on the first link in the description below. Now let's get to the movie. XRP Ripple is still surprising people who work with cryptocurrencies. It seems like every day there are new stories saying that XRP Ripple will grow a lot in the near future. Can the value of a coin really go up by $3,000 during a bull market? This is not magic or a story. It's going on right now. You'll be sorry you didn't watch the video. Don't miss a single moment. Let's get right to the point. Withdrawal and the XRP coin's price have finally gone up. Aside from this rise, the Bitcoin market was doing well in general. When the Federal Open Market Committee made its optimistic prediction, investors became more interested in risky assets like cryptocurrencies. This led to market growth. This spike set off the upward trend in asset prices and was in line with how the market felt about the committee's plan to delay interest rate hikes until 2024. The Federal Open Market Committee of the Federal Reserve sets interest rates and controls the amount of money that people can use. News stories like the one that just came out affect how people feel about investing in different things, including cryptocurrency like XRP. When the Federal Open Market Committee says they might not raise interest rates too much in the future, investors often feel more at ease buying riskier assets like cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency market as a whole did go up lately, but XRP Ripple did not. What makes that stability happen, and why? Let me explain more about XRP, the coin that is linked to Ripple. It has not been clear what the Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple are fighting over in court. Investors have been worried because there hasn't been any big news or progress in the case in a while. A lot of people are curious about what would happen if the Securities and Exchange Commission decided to review the decision about programmatic sales, which is a way of selling XRP. Programmatic sales are a way to sell XRP on coin exchanges that use computer programs or algorithms to do the work for you. The marketing process is taken care of instantly by these programs or algorithms instead of having people do it. One goal of automated sales is to make sales more efficient and maybe meet goals or requirements set by the seller without any help from a person. What the SEC case is about is how XRP was sold using these automated methods and whether or not XRP could be called a security in those situations. But what makes cryptocurrency different from securities? Let me explain that. Securities are money assets backed by the value of a company and come with a promise of ownership or interest-bearing repayment. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, are digital currencies that are encrypted and are generally used to store value or make transactions. All cryptocurrencies do different things and don't always mean ownership in a business or a promise of return. Securities are often used to show ownership or debt. So what kind of thing is an XRP Ripple? Along with other cryptocurrencies, a court said in July that XRP wasn't considered a security when it was sold in a certain way using certain algorithms or through specific trade platform apps. Supporters of XRP and Ripple were glad to hear this because XRP being labeled as a security could have led to more rules and problems. This case is now over. The Securities and Exchange Commission can't try to change this decision again. Due to this legal back and forth, investors don't know what could happen next or how it might affect XRP's future since the court turned down their October try. It's very important for XRP that this case is decided because it could change how the cryptocurrency is traded and governed. The SEC and Ripple are especially interested in how Ripple sold XRP to big buyers, like institutions, in order to find out what could be done to fix the problem. Some lawyers think that past cases may be on Ripple's side when it comes to possible fees or penalties. People saw the decision about how XRP was offered through special programs as a win for Ripple, but the SEC seems very eager to overturn it. including the due date for finishing this whole process and the chance of more legal trouble. It's not expected to be fixed before the summer of 2024. As long as investors in Ripple and XRP are allowed to file an appeal, it might not be decided until 2025. This waiting game is very important because the outcome will have a big impact on how both businesses work and how people in the Bitcoin community see and use XRP. How do you feel about that? What do you think will happen in that situation? Should we be ready for disaster or, on the other hand, should we expect a lot of growth? Tell me in the comments. I'd like to know. The experts, on the other hand, believe in XRP Ripple. They think that the price of XRP will soon hit its highest point. Let's jump right in. The XRP Ripple coin has done well this year, with a price rise of 83% since the beginning of the year. Because of a key court decision that XRP is not a security, which made investors think it was more trustworthy. There has been a noticeable rise in value, even though the coin is still worth about $500 less than it did at its highest point. Even though it's possible to beat the previous high, the time frame for such a surge is very interesting. It's interesting that this interesting timeline was shared by a big Bitcoin company. There's a big difference between the coin's current value and its all-time high, which means it may see more growth. Changeley's point of view might help us understand the factors that led to this unusual time period, which could change how the coin moves towards reaching its previous high point. The cryptocurrency exchange has a bullish view, which means it thinks that the price of XRP will keep going up. The site says that XRP could go up very quickly and by about 20% by the end of this month. The prediction is that XRP might not reach its high point again until later, maybe in 2027 or 2028. This means that the platform thinks the price of XRP might hit a high point of $3.49 in 2027. When making these kinds of long-term predictions, it's best to be careful because they rest on a lot of assumptions and market conditions that can change a lot over time. Even though they can give you a rough idea of where things are going, unexpected events often change the price of cryptocurrencies. There is a chance that the price of XRP will go in this direction in the future. Switchily thinks that by 2028, XRP could fall to a price below $4, which could help it build a strong base around its previous high point. This shows a slow, rising trend, which could mean that prices in that area will stay the same for a while longer. The site thinks that the price of XRP will go up a lot in the future and reach an amazing rate of almost $19 by 2032. Getting this point would be